Welcome, I'm Scott's Dragon, and this is part 8 of Ratchet and Clank.
Alright, let's go find you a new jetpack.
Nefarious has built quite the operation here.
You're not kidding. Let's check this place out, see what we can find.
Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Mr. Zurkon,
Enemy down!
while he hides in the aliens, Mr. Zurkon only wishes for to kill you. Five little dead little aliens.
Great, reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
I will try not to be offended by that.
Mr. Zurkon is bored.
I see we have visitors. If it isn't the latest crop of galactic morons. I hope you like my facility, because you're never ever leaving!
Zircon. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon still hears hearts beating. I shall let you live in Ladian. Psych! Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Shooting my doors! Those are custom made, you know?
Warbots are down. Come on, we better keep moving.
Mr. Zircon is here. Mr. Zircon still hears hearts beating. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon is here to kill. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for. Flee! Flee before Mr. Zircon!
Why are these imbeciles still alive? Send those strike teams to Sector 3 and annihilate them before I lose my patience! Let's get it!
reinforcements.
Filthy creature! You fight like an infant bird!
More of them. There's more coming our way. of ammo.
These are the weapons Mr. Zircon lives for.
More warbots incoming.
Max.
Are those grind boots?
A tripad lock. In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
Cool! Grind boots! Oh, sweet.
In that completely unlikely location is where Ratchet found a shiny new pair of grind boots. With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt onto the rail.
Whoa!
Still on the hunt for the jetpack, Ratchet used his newfound grind boots to explore the planet further.
Cash only, no layaway. Sorry. I just bought one of those for myself. I can vouch for its effectiveness. Oh, nice!
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
Detecting Versa mines ahead.
Mr.
He's
Zircon,
down.
know what told you about Mr. Zircon? I shall let you live, little alien. Sigh, Mr. Zircon is only trying.
Hey, Lombax, come here. Don't worry, I'm a friend.
Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe and come back for more next time.